Today's expert bakers share their knowledge in a variety of cookbooks, including tips for preparing the tastiest cookies and typical blunders to avoid when working with chocolate. While many of those cookbooks have recipes that can be made with a hand, mixer, and other basic kitchen appliances, many of them also include stand mixer required recipes. A stand mixer is a common feature in household kitchens, and many cooks use them not only at home but also in their bakeries and restaurants. Which dishes are most important? The batch capacity, design elements, attachments, countertop footprint, and ease of cleaning should all be taken into account when choosing a mixer. Here are best stand mixer of 2022. But before we start, we want to tell you to stay until the end of the video, because during that, we're going to tell you something special that you can't miss, so stay tuned. 5. Biwhale Stand Mixer. Biwhale Stand Mixer is the best budget stand mixer for you. It has characteristics like being under $70, having an anti-slip design, and having a power motor. It is perfect for producing small batches of desserts, cake mixes, and frosting because it has the capacity to mix dough for up to 10 dozen cookies, 4 loaves of bread, and 3 9-inch cakes. It can provide the family with enough space. 3 mixing tools, a whisk, a dough hook, and a mixing beater are included with the Biwhale Stand Mixer and are simply fastened to the shaft, giving chefs more combining flexibility. To ensure consistent mixing, planetary operation revolves the beaters around the 6.5-quart stainless steel bowl. The electric mixer's tilt-head design makes it simple to install or remove the bowl and attachments. The machine's non-slip silicone suction cup design prevents movement and bounce when it is in use, enabling you to have fun while preparing waffles, bread, cookies, pastries, and cakes. The thickest dough or heavy whipping cream may be powered through by the 600W high-performance pure copper motor, which also maintains a consistent speed. To avoid the motor burning out, it features built-in overload protection that will instantly cut the motor off. 4. Cuisinart Stand Mixer. Cuisinart Stand Mixer is the best stand mixer with bowl. It includes features including a 3-year warranty, several colors, and accessories. Its excellent purpose is with a 5.5-quart capacity, a 500-watt motor, die-cast metal construction, and 12 speeds that enable dexterity and perfection in carrying out a variety of preparation chores. Our stand mixer delivers power, precision, and performance. It has a tilt-back head, polished stainless steel bowl, and 1 power outlet or add-ons. Along with a recipe book and instruction manual, the set includes a chef's whisk, a dough hook, a flat mixing paddle, and a splash guard with a pour spout, pasta extruder, pasta roller and cutters, ice cream maker, meat grinder, and spiralizer are optional attachments and come in a variety of colors, including silver lining, onyx, periwinkle blue, ruby red, light linen, and robin's-egg. Because it has a limited 3-year warranty, see the user handbook for information on how to resolve issues. If you find this content valuable, please let us know by smashing the like button. If you want to know more interesting gadgets for you, subscribe and hit the bell so you don't miss any of our videos. Now, let's go to the top 3 of best stand mixers. 3. Mini Angel Stand Mixer. Mini Angel Stand Mixer is the best small stand mixer. It has the distinguishing characteristics of tit-head power off, 5.5 QT capacity, and 10+ pulse speed settings. The mixing action is the same as that of premium stand mixers. In order to cover the entire bowl evenly and completely for all of your baking needs, planetary mixing motion is used. The Mini Angel eclectic stand mixers are perfect for mixing anything from sticky bread dough to light whipped cream, since they have 10+ pulse speed options that let you go from a leisurely stir to a quick whip. For rapid blitzing, it features an additional pulse setting, large enough to combine dough for mashed potatoes, loaves of fresh bread, pans of birthday cake batter, or your favorite chocolate chip cookie recipe. The stainless steel bowl has a handle. An effective 400-watt motor is provided by eclectic stand mixers. Included are 158 recipes and DIY stickers. It includes accoutrements. The flat beater, dough hook, whisk, and pouring shield are all stand mixer attachments that protects against splatters. 2. Hamilton Beach Stand Mixer. Hamilton Beach Stand Mixer is the best electric stand mixer. Accessories are included. It is simple to lift, transfer, and store, and it completely covers the bowl. Similar to Kitchenaid stand mixers, it also mixes. This mixer outperforms 2-beater stand mixers and has the well-known tilt-up head designed for quickly adding ingredients and switching out attachments. It offers simple baking. A strong 300-watt motor allows you to easily mix heavy batters and dough such as bread, cookies, and more. Additionally, it offers hands-free mixing with consistently outstanding results. For thorough and equal mixing, planetary mixing moves the beaters around the 4-quart stainless steel bowl. The splash guard, hook, whisk, and flat beater are some of its mixing versatilities. It includes 7 speeds and a mixing guide, with precise control at each speed ranging from a gentle stir to a quick mix. 1. Kitchenaid stand mixer. Kitchenaid stand mixer is the only best stand mixer in general. It has features including 59-point planetary mixing action, 10 culinary attachments, and 10 speed options. It has 59 touch points all around the mixer bowl for excellent mixing results, a sturdy and long-lasting metal structure, and is built to withstand anything. It has a 4.5-quart stainless steel bowl that can be used to mix up to 8 dozen cookies at once. Dishwasher safety applies. 28 of dough for each, using the flat beater. The tilt head design makes it simple to add ingredients because you'll have easier access to the bowl. While mixing, the head should be locked in position. You'll always achieve thorough ingredient incorporation because it has 10 speeds for almost any chore or recipe. From stirring ingredients together on the stir speed to whipping cream at speed 8, there are 10 or more accessories available to make more with your mixer, like fresh pasta, burgers, vegetable noodles, ice cream, and more. You just have to click on the link you have in the description and follow the steps to participate. We'll need your email to tell you when the draw will take place. Don't wait, sign up now. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.